I see you. Hold on. Look, Giselle, where are your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your hair? Where's your toes? Where's your teeth? Where's your stomach? Where's your ears? Where's your arms? Arms up. Yay! Clap. Cry. Smile. Go to sleep. Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on right there. Look, they're right here. Here. Put them on. Ooh, you look beautiful. Huh? What? Hmm? Huh? And then Giselle, and then what? Mm-mm. Mm-mm.